Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about BizBudge reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple musical instruments including brass instruments, percussion instruments, pianos, keyboards and organs and guitars, basses, string instruments, vintage musical instruments and wind and wool wind instruments. So these are the types of instruments that they're offering, and the cost of these offerings are too good to be true. Now talking about the payment information, so let's check out the payment method option, and here you will get the entire info, and their main method is PayPal. So guys, PayPal is the recommended payment method. Apart from that, you can make the payment via Visa cards, Mastercards and more other cards. So rest you can read for your knowledge. And coming to the shipping policy of the site, let's check out the shipping policy. So they have mentioned the delivery duration will be 10 to 22 business days to receive your order. Guys, now let's explore the entire information before making any online purchase. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge the site as a scam or legit website. So the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 11th of December 2020. So guys, this site is a newly launched website and 3 months old website, so we can't claim this site as a legit website. So let's explore the entire info including the company's detail. For that, you need to visit the About Us page of this particular site. Here is the About Us page. Here they have mentioned that the foundation year is 2016 and the website was established on 11th of December 2020. So here is a contradiction. So we can't claim this site a legit website because they have provided suspicious contact details. Now coming to the contact details of the site. This is the contact us page. Here they have mentioned the email address, opening hours and address, which is a positive sign, but they have not provided the contact number, which is a negative sign, and these details seems to be fake, guys. Apart from that, they have also mentioned query form. If you have any query, then you can connect with them via this query form by sending your message or queries. Now talking about social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a negative sign. And coming to the return or refund policy, let's visit the return or refund policy page. So according to the website details, they have 30 days return policy. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And talking about BizBudge reviews, so we are not able to find customer reviews on the official website. However, we have found negative comments or negative feedbacks about the site on internet, and one of the customers said, "BizBudge will rob you. Beware, this place is a complex scam. Many of the pictures have been taken straight off eBay. As the saying goes, it looks too good to be true. It's a scam." So guys, they are claiming the site a scam website, and this is one of the biggest drawbacks of this site. So the site can't be trusted on the basis of this information only. Apart from that, they have also mentioned or provided cropped images of products, which is again a negative sign. And many customers have discussed about the legitimacy of this website, and majority of the customers claim this site a suspicious website. Apart from that, the site is not popular online because the trust index score of this site is 1%, which is really very bad. And this site has too low traffic and has an unknown trustworthiness score. So guys, these are the loopholes that defines that the site is a suspicious website and you should stay away from such type of websites. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.